up, Bolt fam? We're at the 2024 Cleveland Airshow, and we just got here. There's already planes flying around. We saw some F-22 Raptors. We saw some C-130s. I'm excited. You excited, Carson?
Yeah!
We're here. We're gonna have a blast. We're gonna walk around. I wanna show you guys all the highlights. We're gonna look at all the planes. We're gonna see them in the air, on the ground. This is gonna be a really fun video. I'm super pumped. Let's get to the gate. I'm also here with the full family. I got Chloe here.
Hello.
And Charlie. Hey, Charlie. I failed to mention the Blue Angels are actually gonna be here this year. That's the very last thing of the day, so that's gonna be the very end of this video. I just watched the documentary with Carson and Chloe, so we're all up to date on those bad boys, and we're definitely excited. Still walking the gate here. You guys want to go in? Charlie, we're going in a plane.
Are we ride it?
Wow. This is a C-47D. It's a twin engine. Look at how big this wheel is. And over here we have the Blue Angels. Shows a little bit later, 1 through 6. And there's Fat Albert. That's a C-130J. Man, is that cool.
Doing the incredible barrel roll with formation. Hold it up. Hurry up.
All right, and right behind me is the Vector Aviation booth. And this is actually where I am going to flight school. Now, I haven't really shared this, and I'm letting the cat out of the bag, but I am working on my private pilot's license. Right behind the tent is one of the planes that I'm training in. This is 1310 Kilo. This is a Piper Archer, and this is one of the 3 planes I've actually flown. So I'm gonna show my son and my wife the plane I actually have flown, which they've never seen. So this is pretty exciting. I did not know this was gonna be here. What do you think there?
Cool.
Yeah, is it small?
Yeah.
So step there, grab the handle, go up. Yep, step on there. Think you can get used to this?
It's tiny.
It's tiny, they're a lot smaller than you think. She's been a little hesitant with me flying, but that's all part of it, so. It's pretty cool, huh? Flown this one many of times. I got several hours in there. So, all right, time to get out. Look at this thing.
It's in the exhaust.
They're about to race. Here we go. That jet truck is 25,000 horsepower with the thrusters and the engines. That's freaking nuts. That was so fast. I kind of got cut off at the end, but it like at the very end, it was going so fast. It was like ridiculous. It passed the plane for sure. We've got another Black Hawk here. It's got the Ohio badging up there. That's cool. Oh, look at this, bud. See, it's got the two rotors on the top. Do you know what that's called? We got a Chinook. Wow, look at this thing. It looks like a freaking boat of the sky. It's huge. Look at that, bud. You're sitting in a Chinook. Wow. They're gonna fly. You wanna fly in it?
No!
You wanna fly in it, bud?
No!
Look, that guy's gonna take you right there.
No!
Look, he's gonna take you.
Miles per hour. To turn left. The jumper pulls down on the left steering line. As the jumper nears the ground, they will pull down on both steering lines simultaneously for the safest and softest possible landing. Jumper as he brings it into the target area.
All right, it's time for the A-10 demonstrations. They just took off. He's about to circle back. Got it in slow flight. On the ground.
Now here comes number one and number two coming in for the mirror roll. Canopy to canopy, tail to tail, prop to prop, as if in a mirror. From
Look at
upside
that.
down to right side up to upside down. Including the difficult in holding that mirror position.
All right, so that was the last thing before the Blue Angels here. They have to prep the airstrip, just make sure there's nothing out there that can damage the planes, and they're gonna put the Blue Angels in the air. So it's the moment we've pretty much all been waiting for, minus the A-10 and everything else we saw. Well, that's the end of that. Everybody's pretty tired. One of the kids is already sleeping. We had a blast. It was really cool to see. Those guys are amazing pilots. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.